Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily create a very simple website using PHP. So recently I've created a tutorial for you with the HTML and CSS, so check it out. Here we do have the PHP, and at first we have to start, for example, with the HTML using the best shortcut, which is Shift1 and Enter. Here we have this file. You can leave it as it was. For example, we can change the title to make it more immersive. HardReset.Info website. And yeah. Now, for example, we use the PHP for managing the forms. So let me, for example, create some H1 simple PHP form. Now let me create this form. Here we have the action. In the action thing we have to enter our file name or just leave it with the hash. The action means the file we want to go to with the data from the form, and we want to go to our file so we can leave it with the hash. But I will enter the name. Simple website of PHP. Now we can do our form. For example, label for first I wrote text, label for name, label, enter your name, and here label for age, enter your age, and here let's do input. Not input type button, input text, name, ID, name too, so we won't have the validation mistakes. Here we have to do the input too, input type number, here name will be age, and ID will be age too. It doesn't really matter. Here, break line to make it more smooth. Break line, and now we have to do the button so that we can submit the things from our website to the PHP script. Button type submit, and here send data. Now that's it from the form. We can, we have to add method here, method post. We have two methods, get and post, but post is easier to manage. Now we can do the script here, PHP. We have to start it using the PHP and close it using the same things here. Now we can create our simple PHP website using only a few tricks. So at first we can create a variable. For example, it will be a variable for our name, which we have to create using the $sign and name of our variable, and here equals to. Now we have to assign the data from the form to our variable. To do so, we have to do $post brackets, and here we have to enter name from our input. Here we have name, and here we have to do the same with age. We can do a lot of different variables, for example, float, number, when 1.23 or something like that. It doesn't really matter. This is the first step of managing our form and doing a simple PHP website. But here we do have the second step of our tutorial. The first step is at first checking if we have our data sent. So we have to do the if statement and do $name and $age. But yeah, that's what you might think. But we declare these variables too. We have our variables here. So we have to do something like different. $post floor post name, and the same with age. We have to here assign to the name and age here. Here, as you can see, we have that $post age. But what? What now? We have end here, we have post, and we have our variables here. What now? Let's delete this end and add the here these two little signs. You can do this using the Shift and 7. And now we have to do the isSet function and bracket these two variables. If isSet here and here. This will make our form protected by sending the data without anything, and the script won't start unless we do something with the form. Now let's put these two things here, and now we can type echo to send something on our website, echo, and for example, hi, and what now? Hi. We have to do the dot here, $name, to send something to the website, hi $name, and the semicolon. Here we have to, as you can see, we have to add the semicolons, and echo your age. And yeah, that's it. Let me not go to OBS Studio. Let me switch from the other file to our file, which is the simple website.php. Here, as you can see, we have the localhost HardReset website, simple website.php, and here we can enter our name now. For example, HardReset123. Send data. Hi, HardReset, you are 123. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.